Thanks for looking. Welcome to her. Today I will talk about secrets of food combining. Look at the food groups first, such as proteins, fats, starches, vegetables, seed fruits, sub-acid fruits, acid fruits. Proteins such as fish, meat, egg, etc. Fats such as oils, olives, butter, etc. Starches such as whole grains, peas, beans, etc. Seed fruits such as all dried fruits, bananas, custard apples, etc. Sub-acid fruits such as grapes, apple, peaches, etc. Acid fruits such as lemons, oranges, strawberries, pineapple, etc. Protein, fat, starches foods are good when we eaten with vegetables. Then, vegetables are good when we eaten with proteins, fat, and starches food. Then, sub-acid fruits are good when we eaten with acid fruits. Acid fruits are good when we eaten with the sub-acid fruits and protein foods. Seed fruits are good when we eaten with sub-acid fruits. Take it easy. Live a happy and healthy lifestyle. Thank you.